Hey guys, TrainFan365 back again, and I thought I would start a series of freight car unboxing reviews for the Bachmann Thomas series. Sorry, I just closed the door. But yeah, I thought I'm gonna do, I think, 3 videos of freight car unboxings. I'm gonna start off with the latest one that I just got. So yeah, let's get into it. One thing I discovered is the seller package is very interesting. This is an interesting style of package. I'm getting it. And okay, the guy included some peppermint gum with it as well. So yeah. Okay, this is a little bit weird. So to package this, he taped the front end of it down. What? Oh. I see now. There we go. There we go. It was kind of packaged in there. It was interestingly packaged, I must say. I know I took a long time to open the package. And the package is bent, but I finally got, yep, a flat car with paint drums. Finally, after 3 years of hunting this bad boy down, I finally found one at a good price. So yeah, let's get into this. Thank you, whoever the seller was. You already pre-cut the package. You know what? That's not going to work though. And yes, I am using safety scissors. These packages. I hate these packages so much. There we go. These packages, I tell you. I know I've already mentioned it, but still. So this came out in 2009. It is currently discontinued from Bachmann. There it is. I basically destroyed the package. There it is. It came out in 2009. It was discontinued by Bachmann in 2013. Pull it out. Oh, nice, nice. Right away, I noticed under the paint drums there's this cloth, which is very nice for packaging, but you know, when you still overdo it, yeah. I will admit though, the cloth was pretty good. Keep the paint away from the flat car. I really don't care so much about the paint as much as the flat car itself, because I mean the flat car is just plain awesome. I mean, the hook is the normal looking hook like it should be on all the freight cars, like it is on the engines. And same thing with the other side. And here's one of the paint drums, for example. One side says red paint, red paint, green paint, yellow paint, red paint, yellow paint, green paint. So yeah, I know it took a very long time to open this, but I'm still very happy I got this, because I seriously have been hunting this for probably 3-4 years now. There we go. Which way did it go? This way. Yes, it really doesn't matter. Oh. Go this way. Right. So that sums up the video. I will eventually get to 2 more of these. I'm planning on doing probably the Red Open Wagon and maybe the Ice Cream Wagon if I eventually get those. Alright, so until next time, this is TrainFan365 signing out.